Nnuano miensua de kakra. And then she responded to Abraham video our title and say Fabrications in the book of Matthew Na yen semren mommy anto asumfri baby agina yo part 1 of this series.
Matthew no Bethlehem in the land of Judah. Yeah. You are by no means the least of the leading cities of Judah. For from you will come a leader who will guide my people Israel. But the Micah chapter 5 verse 2 no, the Lord says, Bethlehem Ephrata, Bethlehem Ephrata, you are one of the smallest town in Judah. You are one of the smallest town in Judah. But out of you, I will bring a ruler for Israel, whose family line go back to ancient times. And now Matthew, people are kind Mika. Has said the same thing. Check 5:2. Father, I will check say the same thing. Matthew, a fabricate. When you find a fabrication, what cover vessel out of context. What come is out of people like can
Micah 5:2.
Micah 5:2.
Was now Bethlehem.
Now who Bethlehem?
I want Ephrata.
I want
Ephrata.
I want Ephrata. Now who Bethlehem? I want if into Bethlehem Ephrata. Bethlehem Ephrata we a clan. A clan. Into can you say?
Was it now Bethlehem?
Now who Bethlehem?
I want Ephrata.
I want Ephrata.
What would I say?
What say?
Obefra Judah and Pimpimo.
Obefra Judah and Pimpimo.
Now woman will be beba amame.
Now who and na obi beba amame.
Where is Israel before?
Now obey Israel sudifo. Into the first lie and throw a decan. Matthew I say Micah chapter 5 verse 2. Matthew ayade was say why no Bethlehem in the land of Judah. But where Bethlehem in Bethlehem Ephrata. A clan. A wood Judah. A clan. A wood Judah. A wood Bethlehem. See, your clan. Your clan. Any what town. Any what city. And city no. Judah. Town. Bethlehem. And a clan no. Bethlehem Ephrata. And King David the other. Oh, created the King David.
Okay, nnuanom so mate asem Abraham kan o se Bethlehem Ephrata no clan. Enti di Abraham pa kire nyina ne se Mika eka se ye be wo abofra no afri a clan a Bethlehem Ephrata. But Matthew ekoye ne se ye be wo abofra no afri a town a Bethlehem. Okay, yenhwe between Abraham ben Moshe and Matthew, one na distort Bible verse no. Yenhwe Micah chapter 5 verse 2 ni biu. Mo hwe ba bia ma cycle no. We say Bethlehem Ephrata, you are one of the smallest towns in Judah. Towns in Judah, not clan in Judah. Muntie the Abraham kan ni biu.
Micah chapter 5 verse 2. Matthew ayade was say why no Bethlehem in the land of Judah. But where Bethlehem in Bethlehem Ephrata. A clan. A wood Judah. A clan. A wood Judah. A wood Bethlehem. See, your clan. Your clan. Any what town. Any what city. And city no. Judah. Town. Bethlehem. And a clan no. Bethlehem Ephrata. And King David the other. Oh, created the King David.
And you so no exposing him. Mika anka say Bethlehem Ephrata clan. Or say the smallest town in Judah. Inti Abraham ne distort Bible verse no. The Matthew ye simple. Akwa say Mika eka say be wo akra no kumase kwada so. Na Matthew nso akotu ne say be wo akra no kwada so. Difference be any. Inti we the ensemre wo ho. Mumie ntoa so.
Be black. Yem to story ne so. Kenkan. Na yem ma bem. To assume people like I said,
was in a Herod Ephraim Safon Kukuemu.
And a Herod Ephraim and Safon, Ewo Kukuem,
we saw a Breconsman if ye.
And Obisa, a Brecura, and Solomano, a P.
Or small Bethlehem say.
And Osma, or to us story, so. Esma, a Yansafon, Ewo Bethlehem said,
what was your friend ye?
And above Jesus, no. Monko. Enko hwehwe abofra ni yi
na se wonye hunu a
na se wonye hu abofra Jesus ya
mo be kan hye me
momra na mo man kan kira me Herod
na me se mo ko kutu ni bi
na ono sa abofra Jesus no me Herod so me enko kutu ni bi
woti ohina se ne wiye no
enti wise men no the wise men are Melchior, Belteshazzar, and Jasper.
Mumie nyina ha. Bible ne hefa ne kasa nyansafo no omo ye miensa. Anase Bible ne hefa kra ne bosa nyansafo idin. Munim bibi. Enam se Abraham enye knowledgeable ntino. What dream say Google no type names of 3 wise men na din bia ba. Obetimi a present it as absolute truth say omudin no. As a proof say we a researcher na so asua de akwachire. This kind of information will only impress your blind followers. But when him said the Oyen will expose himself as very ignorant. Mama menchramade. So because a Bible ni a fictional book, that means every information that we hear should be from the Bible, should be from that book. So we go outside of the book, e compare additional information the beka story ne ho, that means it's real. For example, mo amunim kwaku ananse story no, enam so a fiction ti no, obi anim ne maame din ana ne papa din. Moment a obekọ back akoka say oh kwaku ananse kra ne maame din di say ananse ne papa din di say no, you are making the story seems real because obi o invented no ni history no akohwe obi owo no. In Abraham dream say Bible ni invented na Yesu bia existed that where then year research ekohunu enkrofo mbesra Yesu din e wa bra Bible na mbo omudin ni omododo ombesra no. But Odren say Oka, I'm wondering how great a researcher he is. But when him say by so doing, he's just advertising his ignorance. When he any judge. And you know, yentu asunko other objection I will raise here so.
Match them. We I say, the Jesus kotna Egypt. Na why then wa friend free ho. Aname wa. Me pa chaw obwo. We beat yina. We dey tell me say we beat here. Wa da yina. Enti fight camera for no. Kokai Hosea 1:11 no.
Hosea 11:1.
Hosea 1:11. 11:1. Hosea 11 verse 1. Number 1. Any prophecy. Obi entie. Minia. Ma wani na ho. Yeah. Hosea 1:11. Number 1. Any prophecy. Number 2. It has nothing to do with Jesus. Israel who asem. Israel who asem. Ena Matthew here then. Ena Hosea area then. Be black. Go back. Now go yesterday.
Hosea 11:1.
Hosea chapter 11. Obi and check verse ne gunche won minia. Check verse ne gu kan yesterday.
What see Israel abrantie no.
Israel into Hosea chapter 11 verse 1. Any Israel. Eye abrantie no.
Na medono. Na misrim na me frɛ me ba efri.
Na misrim na me frɛ me ba efri. Hwade enie kan brofno fa brofno kan Matthew no ye fan check Hosea fa Bible na kan church nje no Matthew ekowia verse Matthew we kowia verse add distorting wa distorting Hosea 11:1 no the second part no and called him out of Egypt as my son called him out of Egypt as my son. And Matthew 5 called him out of Egypt as my son. And what they say, Matthew chapter 2 verse 15. And I called my son out of Egypt. I called my son out of Egypt. And they called him out of Egypt as my son. English student, called him out of Egypt as my son. I called my son out of Egypt. What's the son? Hosea 11:1. Number 1, it is not a prophecy. What is a prophecy? A prophecy is a prediction of the future. And na odifo Hosea or can Israel ne past into your past tense. The Lord says, when Israel was a child, a brana Israel or Egypt no and once and walker. And when Israel was a child, I loved him and called him out of Egypt as my son. And Yankopon say, of free Israel, every Egypt say neba. Of free Israel, every Egypt say neba.
Okay, nyanum smart. Maka semwe na meka ni bio. Abraham unim Bible no nsua Bible ndru baabia. When I catch Abraham say a prophecy according to the Bible is just a prediction of the future. Me say according to the Bible, not according to dictionary. According to the Bible, prophecy ain't just a prediction of the future. And yes, na Bible no a prophecy ase. Your prophecy a kasafa future event ho. and your prophecy by analogy. Naturally, say asema esi in the past no ese besibio in the future. Aye friend dual fulfillment. Mama minchire mu bi. Say Matthew chapter 12 verse 40 or say, for as Jonah was 3 days and 3 nights in the belly of the great fish, so will the Son of Man be 3 days and 3 nights in the heart of the earth. Inti hanu Yesu sheni wo hon combat wode toto de tu Jonah. Emra densu emene no da aboa ne yam for 3 days and 3 nights. Inti the upper chance say emra dudu a Jonah eda aboa ne yam na ne nansa so na aboa ne fe no. Sanso na ono nso obewu for 3 days na ne nansa so no obesore. Eno ne friend no prophecy by analogy. Sanye si wo no abreso no sanso ne besi wo Yesu abreso. Yensan ha another one. Ewo John 3:14. And as Moses lifted up the serpent in the wilderness, even so must the Son of Man be lifted up. Inti ha no sa oka Numbers chapter 21 na Israel for ati Nyankopon so atua ewo esere ne so. Na enam yaso odi inti Nyankopon soma poisonous snakes ebe keka wo mo. Inti Israel for ni nu ye ho kopa Moses achew no, Moses intercede on their behalf. Inti sa oka Numbers 21 verse 8 I will say, then the Lord said to Moses, make a fiery serpent and set it on a pole, and it shall be that anyone who is bitten, when he looks at it, shall live. Inti sene Nyankopon instructing Moses say onya bronze serpent no na de wo beka no wonhwe sa serpent no sene be ya wonwu no. Sanso na anyone obeji the sacrifice Jesus made on the cross edino will not perish but have everlasting life. Inti that event na see was sereso no. A prophecy by analogy, say besibio, but it will happen to Jesus Christ. Afe mumia answer Abraham questions no. Was say adia atu Israel no, ana Matthew akowia ano dia me Jesus. But the Abraham enimni, the nation of Israel no, is a picture of Jesus Christ. And Jesus Christ is the true Israel. Mama menchemo. So can Isaiah chapter 5 verse 3 to 7 or say, and now, O inhabitants of Jerusalem and men of Judah, judge please between me and my vineyard. Inti Nyankopon ka kire omo say omo judge between ono and the vineyard. Muma minye ni easy na monti ase. Se ka se vineyard a enie. Inti afu kakrake an ye friend vineyard, but afu ni Nyankopon dia. Ana Nyankopon say yen judge between ono and sa afu no. Mumye ntwa so verse 4 or say, what more could I have done to my vineyard that I have not done to it? Why then, when I expected it to bring forth good grapes, did it bring forth wild grapes? Inti anu Nyankopon se na afuo no ododo ho, or the fertilizers gu asie, ogu sunsu, o treati afuo ni good, but afuo no enso aduaba pa. Okay, ento so verse 5. And now please let me tell you what I will do to my vineyard. I will take away its hedge, and it shall be burned, and break down its walls, and it shall be trampled down. I will lay it waste. It shall not be pruned or dug, but there shall come up briars and thorns. I will also command the clouds that they rain no rain on it. Inti handi Nyankopon pa kire nyina ne se, enam se afuo ne useless na enso aduaba pa nti no, obesɛ no. On ton nsuo bio, on fa fertilizers ngusu bio, on the dog hu bio, obetutu eban a ebon ho ban no, no ahye ni nyina. Mumie nto aso verse 7. For the vineyard of the Lord of hosts is the house of Israel, and the men of Judah are his pleasant plants. Enti afuo no, represent the nation of Israel, ana vine no, endua no, eye emu nipa na omo nso aduaba pa. Now, how do we connect this to Jesus Christ? Mumia John 15 verse 1 to 2. Jesus said, I am the true vine, and my Father is the vine dresser. Every branch in me that does not bear fruit, he takes away, and every branch that bears fruit, he prunes, that it may bear more fruit. Inti according to Isaiah 5:7, Tememufuo no represented the vine. In Duana collectively a form of funo, the vineyard. In Yesu John 15 verse 1 says he is the true viner. That means he is the true Israel, and the Father is the vine dresser. Into the ones who about with Christo muno is cut off. Into the people of Israel are the vine, but Jesus Christ is the true vine. The people of Israel are the son of God, but Jesus Christ is the true son of God. And just as the people of Israel went to Egypt, Yesu Kristo nso kɔ Egypt. And as any Nyankopɔn frɛ ne ba Israel free Egypt, Nyankopɔn frɛ ne true son Jesus Christ free Egypt. Sɛnea Nyankopɔn maa the nation of Israel ɛnante ɛsrɛ ne so for 40 years. Each year represent a day a wɔde survey the Canaanite asase ne so no. Na Nyankopɔn mo nante ɛsrɛ ne so as a test, but wɔn fail yɛ. Saa nso na Honhom Kronkron di Yesu Kristo kɔ ɛsrɛ so for 40 days. Wɔkyerɛ ne yam kom, ɛmmeɛ sɔ ne hwee, and he passed. And everything that happened to the nation of Israel also happened to Jesus Christ, and that is what we call prophecy by analogy, because Jesus Christ is the true Israel. The nation of Israel is a type, and I said the picture of Jesus Christ. Nti anuanom mmɛma we nya part 2 ni entoa so next time. Mede mu besia nyame nhyira mu nyinaa, and thanks for watching.